Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PROMOSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. And I have my two nieces here, Jada and Jalea, and they're doing the 5 dinosaur pluots in 2 minutes. It's a challenge that was created by MARQEASE HILSON. Oh yeah. MARQEASE did it in less than 2 minutes, and they're going to try to beat that time as well. So y'all go cheer my nieces on. They're excited about this challenge. Oh yeah.
PROMOSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. PROMOSTK. Hey guys, welcome back to PROMOSTK, and it's Jada and
Jalea, and we are doing the 2-minute Pluto challenge.
no, we have to eat. So this challenge is we have to eat five pluots in I forgot what I was saying.
Jada, you should let me take over because if you don't know, then you can let me.
And you have to eat it in 5 minutes. 2 minutes, but that's the limit is 2 minutes. So go tell what you're saying.
And we are doing the 2-minute challenge by MARQEASE. No.
MARQEASE Hilson. Okay. So you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay.
Get the alarm set.
Oh my
This
God.
is PROMOSTK, and Jada and Jalea, my two nieces, are going to be doing the challenge by MARQEASE HILSON. It's the 2 pollutes, which are a form of plums, challenge in, you're going to do 5 in 2 minutes. So Frank, come give us the time over here so we can.
Oh, we
I
have to
really
say.
I hope that I win this challenge.
So we got a couple of bloopers in here, y'all.
Here's the 2 minutes, y'all.
This man, I pray, amen.
Yeah, sit down.
Amen.
You got no sit it down.
Can I take this off?
So I can record it. It'll be in the
Uncle
record.
Frank, can I take that off?
Yeah, I guess so.
You can take it off when you get ready to eat it.
Oh.
Ain't that but a little weak stem.
All right, Frank.
Shut. I ain't want to get in
All right, so we're gonna get ready to, and again, this is what they're eating right here, y'all. This is what they're eating.
I'm gonna be like Uncle Frank.
Y'all get started, stop that.
Ready, set.
Okay, hold on. All right, you gonna hit the timer?
Yes. Ready, set, go.
Eat it! Eat it!
Oh my God.
Go! Eat it! You cheer them on.
It's just getting that hard.
Juicy.
Eat it!
Come on, stop laughing.
Go,
Get into
Jada!
it.
Go, Jalea! I'm rooting for both of y'all. Yeah. I told you Jada gonna win. Put the plate toast, Jada.
Y'all doing good.
Stop laughing and just do it, girl. Don't.
All right.
Go, go, go!
Come on, get it. Oh, Jalea, you almost
Come
got
on,
it, girl. Come
Jalea.
on. 35 seconds left. Come on, Jada. Let's get it. All right.
Don't have a minute swallow that darn seed.
Jada might get it. Uh-oh, come on. 27 seconds and counting.
Come on!
Come on, let's see it.
Come on.
Woo!
Come on, Jalea.
Woo, Jalea. Oh!
Come on, Jalea. Stop laughing and just do it, girl. Stop laughing.
You can do-
And just do it. Y'all gonna choke y'all.
10 seconds. Come on.
Come on, Jalea.
Jada got it. Come on, you got to finish chewing it. You got to finish
Come on,
chewing it.
Jalea.
Done. 4 seconds left. Come on, Jalea.
You get your little
All right.
Look at all that darn
Oh
skin you
my
got.
God.
good. Jalea would have did better than that, but she's laughing and going on.
Y'all so awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, it was so hard.
Jalea, Jada, you did it, girl. Jada is the winner of this champion of this challenge. Because Jalea's still chewing. All right. Woohoo. We have a champion. We have a You outdid me, girl. PROMOSTK.
Good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good. In the neighborhood. Oh yeah! Wow, y'all did awesome.
It was so juicy and guess what?
I know.
Juicy.
I saw that juice skeeting. I was like, oh my god, y'all got them all in your arms. So y'all drink your juice if y'all want to drink your juice. But y'all did awesome. I'm so proud of my babies. Yay! And I'm so glad that everybody out there rooting them on for Team Jada, rooting on for Jane Jalea. Woohoo! Team Jada, Team Jalea. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, my babies. Y'all show them love. Show them love. Show 'em love. Oh, yeah.